Imagine this. You're sitting down for dinner. Maybe it's been a long day. You pour yourself a glass of wine, or perhaps it's beer or whiskey. It's just one glass. No big deal, right? But here's the question no one wants to ask. What does just one glass of alcohol a day actually do to your body? We're not talking about wild parties or heavy drinking. We're talking about what many consider moderation, just one drink a day. The kind of drinking some say is even good for you. But science tells a more complicated story. Let's break it down, because the truth might surprise you. The moment alcohol hits your system, the moment you take that sip, alcohol begins its journey. It travels down your throat, into your stomach, and quickly gets absorbed into your bloodstream. From there, it spreads everywhere: your brain, your liver, your heart, even your gut. You might feel a light buzz, relaxed, happier. That's because alcohol increases dopamine levels, the brain's feel-good chemical. It also slows down brain activity, reducing anxiety, stress, and your ability to make sharp decisions. Sounds harmless enough, right? But this is where things get interesting. Brain. Short-term pleasure, long-term changes. Daily alcohol, even one glass, can gradually change how your brain works. Neuroscientists have found that moderate daily alcohol intake shrinks gray matter in the brain. This is the part responsible for processing information and controlling muscles, memory, emotions, and decision-making. One drink won't wreck your brain, but repeated daily use? That's nudging your brain in the wrong direction slowly but surely. Now let's talk about your heart. For years, people believed that red wine, especially in moderate amounts, was good for the heart. This belief came from the French paradox, the observation that French people had low heart disease rates despite eating a high-fat diet, possibly due to their wine consumption. But modern research is debunking this idea. In fact, daily alcohol increases blood pressure over time, makes your heart work harder, and raises your risk of atrial fibrillation, a type of irregular heartbeat that can lead to stroke. It might feel like that one glass is helping you unwind, but your heart could be paying a silent price. Liver. Detox duty never sleeps. Let's not forget the liver, the body's main detox organ. Even one drink per day means your liver has to constantly work to break down alcohol. Over time, this ongoing workload can lead to a condition called fatty liver, even in people who don't consider themselves heavy drinkers. Your liver might not complain at first. You won't feel it, but under the surface, fat can accumulate, inflammation can build, and scarring can begin. It's a slow process. But again, daily drinking keeps pushing the system without giving it time to fully recover. Cancer risk, the hidden connection. Here's a fact many people don't know. Alcohol is classified as a Group 1 carcinogen by the World Health Organization. That means it's in the same category as asbestos, tobacco, and radiation when it comes to cancer risk. Even low levels of alcohol increase your risk of several cancers, including breast, colon, liver, and esophageal cancers. Alcohol also messes with your gut. It disrupts the balance of your gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria that support digestion, immunity, and even mood regulation. A disrupted gut can lead to bloating, inflammation, and poor nutrient absorption. Even worse, alcohol, even in small amounts, can cause insulin resistance, making it harder for your body to manage blood sugar. This increases your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. If you're trying to lose weight or maintain your energy levels, that one daily drink might be working against you. Sleep. It's not helping you rest. Think alcohol helps you sleep? You're not alone. A lot of people use it to wind down before bed. But while alcohol may help you fall asleep faster, it also disrupts the quality of your sleep. It interferes with REM sleep, the deep restorative kind you need to feel energized the next day. Regular alcohol intake has been linked to insomnia, sleep apnea, and groggy mornings. So even if you feel like it's helping you sleep, the reality is it's robbing your brain and body of real rest. So, is one drink a day worth it? It depends on what you value. If it's social connection, celebration, or personal pleasure, then yes, that single glass may bring joy. But if your goals include longevity, brain health, mental clarity, or reducing disease risk, it might be worth reconsidering. The science doesn't say never drink. It says be aware of the trade-offs. There's no safe level of alcohol, only levels with lower or higher risk. And it's your body. You get to choose what you do with it. We're not here to shame anyone. We're here to inform so you can decide what's best for you, fully understanding the impact of that single glass. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and advice.